All right, y'all. First off, happy Thursday, happy Thursday, happy Thursday. It's 6:30, 6:30, so we're going to get started. Listen, today is full body, okay? Today is going to be based around animal movements, all right? And a lot of you might think, you might say, oh, what is that? But what a lot of people don't realize, especially, a lot of trainers and things, they implement animal movements because most animals run on all fours. And with that being said, it's a lot of muscles and a lot of things that you use when we do animal movements. So we still gonna keep the same format like we have been doing all week. But the thing is, we got 7 stations, and one side of the station is gonna be animal movements, and the other side of the station is gonna be basic, regular exercise movements.
Because we have 7 stations, but 2 workouts in each station.
Right. So it's a total of 14 exercises each round.
All
right. 2 rounds. All right. It's 40 seconds on and about 10 to 15 seconds off in between exercises. Okay. We're going to show modifications and we're going to demonstrate every exercise. But the thing is, we want you to go at your own pace today because the animal movements some of them are more difficult than others. But like I said, it's a lot of being on all fours. And it's a lot of being on the ground and things like that or whatever. But it's going to be a full body workout. We did this once before when we were having boot camp at the park and when we first started and things like that or whatever. And it's a full body workout. So since we don't have any weights or whatever, we felt as though we were going to implement this today to give us a full body workout. Yesterday we were turned up with core and cardio. Monday and Tuesday was great as well. But we need that same energy today. All right, same energy today. It's Thursday. It's a new day. We're going to get through this. It's going to be about 40 minutes to an hour, give or take. At the end, for those newcomers, we got a positive message at the end, so don't leave right away, okay? All right, y'all ready? Thumbs up if y'all can hear me. Please mute your mics. I'll mute everybody right now anyway. So.
Yeah, let's go, Amelia.
All right, there we go.
Come on, you got this.
Everybody but Kristen is muted. There we go. Boom. All right, everybody's muted. That way, the camera stay on us to record, and it won't be a lot of feedback. So I'll let y'all turn y'all's cameras on at the end. I mean, y'all's microphones and stuff at the end. But all right, let's get it, y'all. Energy, baby. Let's go.
First, we're gonna stretch.
We're gonna warm up and stretch. All right, just follow us.
20 jumping jacks. All right, let's go.
Start your watches if you gotta watch. Start your watch.
All right, and 5, 4, 3, 2, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. All right, y'all. You got 4 superhero lunges. Superhero lunges. Put your hands on the inside of your foot, okay? And stretch that rowing.
And drop that hip. It's like that 8 count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch. We got 2 each leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch. Get that stretch, y'all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Woo! All right. You already know, spread them. So your elbows are gonna push your knees out and you're gonna feel that stretch right in here. 10 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, all the way down to the middle. Reach back as much as possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Woo. 6 side to side.
Get good and loose, y'all. I know I'm tight. Get good and loose.
2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
Woo.
All right, we're going to do 2 walk it out planks. Pump those Achilles 6 times each. So this is what it's going to look like. You're going to walk it out. Pump those Achilles, okay? You don't want to hurt your Achilles.
Exaggerate. Exaggerate those pumps. Leave your toes on the ground. And exaggerate. You got 2.
And then walk it back up, and then you got 1 more after that. Good job, y'all.
Good job, y'all. Let's go, y'all. Energy.
Big arm circles.
Energy.
Big arm circles.
About 5 or 6.
All right. Go across the body for a 10 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Up over. 1, 2.
Get good and loose, y'all. Get good and loose. Make sure you stretch good and loose.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 15 high knees and 15 butt kicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 4 reverse lunge, okay? So it looks like here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 burpees. 4 burpees.
After your 4 reverse lunge, you got 4 burpees. Let's go. Let's go, y'all. Yeah. Good job, y'all. Good job, y'all. Modified burpee. 1 foot back, 1 foot up. 1 foot back, 1 foot up. Just like this. You're going to be here. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom. That's a modified burpee. Good job, y'all. Good job, y'all. All right, get a drink of water and we're going to go. Like I said, we're going to demonstrate every exercise today because it's a lot of animal movements. And some of y'all might not be familiar with that, whatever, but we'll demonstrate everything. We're going to make sure we demonstrate it sideways. That way y'all can see it. All right, the second round, we're going to kind of just push through. But the first round, we'll make sure we demonstrate everything, okay? So the first exercise, the length of your mat. You're going to go up and back the length of your mat, all right? You're going to be here. Bear crawl, up and back. You're going to stay down the whole 40 seconds. You're going to be here. The length of your mat. Butt low, shins parallel to the ground. You're here.
Up and down your mat for 40 seconds and then 10-second rest. And then we'll head on to the next exercise.
All right, let's get it. Y'all ready?
This is 1A.
Okay?
1A. Keep that booty low. And listen, y'all, control every movement. Control every muscle. Do not hurt yourself, okay? Control your body. Let's go. Don't be flimsy with it.
It might seem simple, but you'll feel it. You're going to definitely feel it at the end of the exercise because animal movements use your whole body. So you're definitely going to feel it. All right, ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, and go.
Good. Good. This isn't a race, so take your time. Control your body. Keep that booty low. Keep that core tight. Woo.
Come on, y'all. Keep that core tight. Don't try not to wiggle your butt. Give it a good pace, though. Give it a decent pace. Good job, y'all. Good job, y'all.
Good. Take that second break if you need it. Get right back to it and finish strong.
Full body day. Let's go. And time.
Woo.
Good job, y'all.
Good.
All right, prisoner squats. All right, prison squat.
1B.
1B, you're here. Prison squat. Feet shoulder width, a little bit more than shoulder width apart. Hands here the whole time. And you're just here. All right, you don't have to come up and squeeze. If you want to, you can. But a prison squat is more fast paced. Here.
Some of y'all know what that means. Stay connected with that tush.
In 5, 4, 3, and go.
Start squeezing when you come up, and then you don't need to squeeze at the top. Keep that back straight too. Keep with it, keep with it.
Come on, y'all, let's go.
Woo. Woo! Woo! Let's get it, y'all.
And time. Good job, y'all.
Good.
All right, y'all.
2A.
2A. Lateral gorilla walk. All right. So you're going to be going to lift your mat, and you're going to be here. All right. You're going to be down like this. Your hands go first, and then your feet, just like a gorilla. So it's going to look like this. Yeah. So it's going to look like this. It's going to be here. Hands first, feet next. Hands first, feet next, and come back. Hands first, feet next. Boom. Modification, just pick your butt up just a little bit. So your knees aren't bent that much. So modification looks like this. So you're going to be here. Boom. Boom. Advance, you're low. Chest up, all right? Ready? In 5, 4, 3.
Hands first, hands first.
Hands first. Lead with your hands first. And go.
Keep a good form. Keep a good form, guys. Good. Good, Em. Yep. Hands first and feet follow. Let's get it. Good, Connie. I like it. Good, Chris. Come on. Good, Mama. Way to work. Way to work. Let's go.
And time. Good job, y'all.
1B, or 2B, sorry. 2B push-ups. Regular push-ups? Regular push-ups. Okay, so you're going to be here the whole 40. All right? Modification looks like this. Knees down, hips low, down.
Good job. Make sure your chest is over your hands. You want that stable, that stability. All right? Let's go. In 5, all 40. 4, 3.
Stop. If you can, start off your knees, please.
2, and go. Come on, y'all.
Oh my God.
Woo, let's go. Come on, y'all. Come on. Push through all 40. Good job. You got 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Bang them out.
Finish. Oh my goodness.
All right, good job, y'all. Good job, y'all. Way to push. Way to push. All right. Time. My fault. Time. My bad.
3A.
Good job, y'all. 3A. Spider-Man walk. You're going to be in a low plank on your hands, and your knee and your hand is going to match. So you're going to boom, boom in a low plank. I'll demonstrate. Just like this, up and down your mat. So you're not going to change directions coming back. So you're going to be here like this. In the low push-up position. Boom, 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 boom. And come back. Boom, boom, boom. All right? Let's work. 40 seconds. Up and down your mat.
Woo, let's go, guys.
All right? Just like Spider-Man. Let's go. In 5, 4, 3, and go. Yes. Yes. Good job, coach. Good job, coach. Climb that wall just like Spider-Man. Good job, y'all.
I wish I was
Come on, y'all. Work, work, work. Good job, y'all. Good job. Y'all look good. Good job. Bend those elbows a little bit, y'all. Bend those elbows a little bit. There you go. There you go. You want to be low. Bend those elbows a little bit. There you go. Try to put that chest on the wall. When Spider-Man climbs, he got his chest and his body close to the wall. Just like y'all on the floor, close to the floor. Come on, keep working. Good job, y'all. Good job. Way to push.
Control your body, y'all.
And time.
Way to work.
Way to work. Way to work. Good job.
3B. Plank holds. Okay? So you're going to have wide feet and wide arms. Booty low, like this.
Yep, all 40 seconds. Let's go.
Let's hold it, y'all.
Yep.
Let's hold it.
In
Let's
5,
hold it. We got this.
4, 3, 2, and go. Give me a good hold.
Squeeze
Good
that
job,
core.
y'all.
Squeeze that core.
Yes. Tighten that core. Come on. Let's go, y'all. We halfway. Come on. We're almost halfway. Come on.
Woo!
Come on, y'all.
Come on, y'all. Make it work. Let's go. Oh, my God.
Come on, coach. 8 seconds. 8 seconds. 8 seconds. Come on, coach. Let's go. 8 seconds. And time.
Oh.
All right, y'all. We're back to another animal movement. Be careful on this one. All right. I'll show you modification.
We're on 4A.
4A, frog hop. So just like a frog. Like I said, we're moving just like an animal today. So a frog is here, and you're going to explode.
Control your landing.
All right, modification, you're here. Modification, just here. Jump, boom, jump back, boom. Just like that. Modification again. Jump, jump back. Advance again. Start just like a frog. All right, let's go.
Yes.
Woo!
Let's get it, y'all. Come on, Chris.
In 5, 4, 3, 2,
Good, Katarina.
and go.
Good, yes. Explode. Nice. Nice, y'all. Nice, y'all. Huh?
Let's go, y'all. Feel it in the quads. Take a break if you have to. Feel it in your quads. Woo! Yes. 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 Good job. Feel it in your quads, y'all. Come on. Come on. Drop that butt, Mary. Drop that butt. And time. Good job, y'all.
Good.
All right, y'all.
40.
We're going to turn up our heart rate a little bit. We got 2 Navy SEAL jacks into a sprawl. All right, it's going to look like this. 1, 2, boom. 1, 2, boom. 1, 2, modification. 1, 2, back,
Step.
up, boom. 1, 2, back, up. All right, let's go.
One more thing. Listen, y'all. When you do that burpee, do not go here. Okay?
Don't hyperextend.
You're going to be here.
Stay neutral.
Yep. Yep. And then back up. Back to those 2.
All right, let's go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and go.
Let's work, y'all.
Ah. 1, 2, 4, 3. There you go.
Let's work. Let's work.
All right, y'all. Back to an animal movement. Donkey kicks.
5-8.
5-8. Donkey kicks. You're here. Just like this. Arms straight. And you're going to be boom, 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 boom. Modification here. Hands here. And just kick. All right. Let's get it.
Let's go, y'all.
In 5, 4, 3, and go. Yep. Yep. Work, 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 work. Work. Come on, Shaq. Come on, Shaq. Come on, y'all. Good job, y'all. Keep working. Come on, Katarina. Come on. Good job, Michael. Good job, Michelle. Come on, Em. Come on, Bree. Come on, Bree. Good job, Priscilla. And time. Good job. All right, y'all. V-sit, single leg tuck. Do not put your feet on the ground. All right, we're here, 5B. We're here. Don't put your feet on the ground. Boom. Oh, my bad. Here. Make sure you plant your hands. So you're here.
Yes.
Modification, let your feet touch. All right? Advantage, don't let your feet touch. In 5, 3.
So modification looks like this.
Yes. 3, 2, and go. Woo! Come on, y'all, keep working. Keep working, keep working. Let's go.
Yes, come on, y'all.
Summer bodies are made now. Let's
go.
go. Good job, y'all. And time. Good job.
2 more stations, y'all. And then we can take a quick break.
All right, 6-8. Inchworm push-ups.
Okay, guys. Woo. Gonna start on your feet.
Inchworm push-up.
You're gonna walk it out.
Yep. Into a push-up. Boom, and back up. Perfect, perfect, perfect,
Okay, just
perfect.
like that. Modification. Drop those knees slightly. Push up.
Boom, yep, and walk it back up. Boom.
And walk it back up. Good.
All right, let's go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and go. Work, y'all, work, y'all.
Breathe, y'all, breathe. Breathe. Let's go. Come on. Let's be superheroes.
Come on, y'all, keep working. And time.
Good, y'all.
Good job, y'all.
Good job. Woo, 6B. Straight leg hip thrust.
So single leg and one leg straight.
Are you switching?
Yeah. 2 and switch.
All right. So you're gonna be here. One leg at a time. Push through that heel and squeeze that tush. 1, 2, switch. 1, 2,
Perfect,
switch.
perfect, perfect, perfect. Come on, y'all.
1, 2, switch. 1, 2. All right, squeeze that booty.
Let's go. In 5, 4, 3, and go. Come on, y'all. We almost done. We almost at the end.
Breathe, y'all, on this one. This one's easy. Let's go. Push through that heel. Use that heel to push through. Let's go, y'all. Come on.
Come on, y'all. And time. Good job, y'all. All right, y'all. We got cheetah. Last station, 7-8. We got cheetah. All right, you're going to be here. I'm going to demonstrate sideways for y'all. All right. Up and down your mat. Hands go first, feet come second. So you're going to be just like this, and then you're going to turn around and come back. So just like this.
Hands first.
All right, hands first.
Yep, and then feet
All
follow.
right. Those who need a modification, I want you to try it. All right. I want you to try it. All right. Let's go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and go. Come on, y'all, keep working. Woo!
Good job, guys.
Good job, y'all.
Yeah, good. I like it.
And time.
Yes.
Woo! All right, y'all.
Get that
On
sweat.
this one, I want you to take your time. All right. It's called a crab reach. All right. You're going to be here. If you can't do it, just hold your crab just like this. All right. But you're going to be here. All right. Take your hand here and reach. Come back down, switch. Come back down, switch. Like I said, modification, just hold it here for the 40. All right. Let's go. Woo! I told y'all these animal movements ain't no joke. Let's go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and go. All the way back. Yep. Come on, y'all. Yep. Perfect, coach. Perfect, coach. Good job. Good job.
I'm squeezing my butt too. What if I can advance hip thrust? Come on, y'all. I want to see you do it. Yeah, Kristen? Good. Good. Good, Katarina. Control. Nice, Micah. Good, Michelle. Yeah, Ed.
And time.
Good.
Round 1, y'all. Good job.
Nice job. Round 1. Get some water. Take a second.
That's okay. Good job, y'all. I told y'all. These animal movements ain't no joke. Woo! Good job, y'all. Good job, y'all. With a push through. We're going to go in about 40 seconds. Give y'all a 60-second break. 20 seconds already went by. Good job. Woo! Good job, y'all. All right, y'all ready? We back at the top. 1A, bear crawls, up and back.
Keep that booty low and those shins parallel to the ground. And back.
Good job, y'all. Let's go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and go.
Keep that core tight.
Try not to wiggle your butt. Try to keep that butt still. Good job, y'all. Let's work. Let's burn your calories. Full body. Full body today with a twist.
Good job. That will make your arms toned for sure. Yes. Good.
Good job, y'all.
Keep it up, y'all. Good form, Connie.
In 5, 4,
Finish.
and time. Good job, y'all. Prisoner squats. 10 seconds, prisoner squats. Hands on their head. Try to get a little pace going. Try to get a good pace going. In 5, 4, 3, 2, go. Try to get a good pace going.
Keep that back straight. When you
Yes.
go down, don't be here.
Yes.
Keep it straight.
Yes.
And push through those heels as well.
Chest up, chest up, chest up,
Yes.
chest big.
Yes. Go, Amelia. I see you. Let's get it. Good, Mary. I like it. Good form. Yes. Let's get it, y'all. Good, Miss Shayla. Keep it work. Keep work. Hey, 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 hey. Come on.
And time.
Woo. Nice job.
Good job, y'all.
All right, 2A. Lateral gorilla walk. So remember, hands go first and then the feet, all right? Here.
Yep. Boom. Boom. Boom.
All right? The legs
Try-
of your mat.
Try to get a good pace. All right, try to get a good pace. All right. In 5, 4, 3, and go. Woo. Good job, y'all. As you see, Crystal and I are doing 2 different ways. Okay? My chest is more so up. Crystal's chest is more so down. It's fine. Either way it works. Either way it works. Come on, y'all. And time. Good job. Good job. All right, y'all. 10 seconds. Push ups. Try to challenge yourself. The only way to get better is progress. Try to do a few off your knees. Try to do about 3 or 4 off your knees. And then go down to your knees.
Let's get it.
That's the only way you're going to progress is to get out your comfort zone. Let's go. 5, 4, and go. Come on, y'all. Keep working. Keep working. 10 seconds. Push. 10 seconds. And time.
Good job, guys.
Good job, y'all.
3A. Spider-Man walks, okay?
Try to get a little bit lower than you did the first time. All right? When Spider-Man walks on the wall, his chest is close to the wall. His body is slanted to the wall as possible. So try to get low to the ground. Good job. Yes. Yes. Good job. Good job, y'all. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and go. Keep working, keep working. Good job, y'all. Work, work, work. Good job. I know it's tough. Push yourself. Push yourself.
Good.
And time.
Good job, guys.
Good job, y'all. All right, y'all. Let's go. Let's hold that plank. Let's hold that plank.
Plank hold. Get your feet wide and your arms wide, okay?
5, 4, 3, and go. Get that wide. Hold that plank wide. Come on, coach. 40 seconds. Let's go. Let's push everybody. Let's go. Come on, coach. Don't let it down. 40 seconds. I'm right here with you. Come on, y'all. We got 25 seconds. 15. Come on, y'all. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and time. Woo! Good job, y'all. All right, y'all. Frog jumps.
4A.
4A, frog jumps.
Oh my goodness.
Get low. Let's go, just like that. Boom. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Keep that back straight and use your quads to push up.
Modification, you're just here. All right. Back and forth, back and forth. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and go. Woo, that's tough. Good job, y'all.
Huh?
Woo! Hand time. Woo! Good job, y'all. Woo! Let's go. We got the Navy SEAL jacks, 2 and a sprawl. All right, like this. 1, 2. 1, 2. Modification. 1, 2. Back. Boom. All right, let's go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and go. Good job, y'all. Way to work. Way to work.
Guys, if you guys can get through this workout, I think y'all can get through any type of workout.
Yes.
Let's go.
If you can get to this workout, you'll be.
Yes.
Woo!
You'll be.
Yes.
Because this is real.
Tough.
This is real. This is tough.
Yes.
Let's go. Let's go. Good.
And time.
Good. Yes. 4, 5A.
5A, your donkey kicks.
Whew. Donkey kicks look like this.
Yep. Yes.
Modification.
Yes. Yes. Hey, y'all. We got to push through.
Yes, we're almost done.
Just a little bit of adversity. Push through. Come on.
Come
In
on.
5, 4, 3, and go.
Woo. Get at least 10 in a row.
10 seconds, y'all. Come on.
Finish.
Time. All right, y'all. V-sit. Tucks. V-sit, single leg tuck. My man, y'all sweating bullets, y'all.
No.
Woo! Good job, coach.
Guys,
Way to push.
way to get through this.
Way to push, coach.
Way to get through this.
And 5, 4,
You're
3,
gonna be here.
and go.
Focus, y'all. Worry about this exercise.
Yes.
Do not worry about nothing else. Focus on this.
Woo. Come on, y'all, push.
Take that second if you need it. Get right back to it.
Oh, man. Woo! Time, y'all, time. Good job, y'all. Way to push. All right, y'all.
2 more stations.
2 more stations. 6A.
6A.
Inchworm push-up.
Inchworm push-up. Start on your feet. Walk it out.
Yeah, good job.
Modification. I'll show you. Drop softly to your knees and push up.
Yes. Good job. Let's go, y'all.
And then walk it back up. Sorry.
In 5, 4, 3. Come on, Bree. Come on, Bree. I see Amelia. Come on, Bree.
Where's mommy? Is
3,
mommy working out?
2,
Okay, good.
and go.
Walk it out.
Push up. Boom. Good job. Walk it back up. Boom. Good job. Woo! Don't hyperextend. Make sure you don't hyperextend that back.
Keep going, guys. Keep going, guys. Good. Good, Kristen. Without the knees. I like it. Come on, y'all. Yes, come on, push up, queen. Let's go. You know what I'm talking to. Come on, y'all.
And time.
Yes.
Good job, y'all. Hey, man. We almost done. Come on.
3 more.
Come on.
Only 3 more exercises. Let's go. We got 6B, straight leg hip thrust.
Catch your breath on this one.
Yep.
Catch your breath on this one.
1 leg at a time. 2 times. 1, 2. Switch. 1, 2. Good.
5,
Rest on this one and breathe.
4, 3, and go. On them heels.
Yep.
Thrust through them heels.
Come on, y'all, stick with it. Let's get it. Woo!
And time.
Good, y'all.
Two more, y'all.
I'm so proud of you guys. Let's go. We got one more left.
Yes, y'all. We're super proud of y'all, man. This is a tough workout.
Yeah, this is tough.
Way to push yourself. Way to get better. Way to challenge. Way to step outside your box.
Yep, one more
Let's
station.
go. One more station.
2 more exercises. 7A. We got cheetah. You're gonna be here. And when you're switching, stay low. Don't turn up and switch. Okay?
Yeah.
Don't get dizzy.
Stay low.
Stay low. I'm not switching.
And 5, 4, 3, 2.
Let's get it, y'all. We are
And
almost
go.
done. Come on. I need y'all to go. I need y'all to stick with it. Let's go. You guys stick with other things in your life? Let's stick with this.
Come on, y'all work.
Let's go. This will make you get better. Woo!
Come on, y'all.
Yes. Let's go. Good, Katarina. Come on, Micah. Feel that burn. Give me a few more, Miss Sheila. Michelle.
And time. All right, y'all.
Good job, guys.
Miss Shayla.
Miss Shayla. Good. I like it. I miss y'all. 7, 3.
She said she getting mad because she can't remember your name. That's how long we've been going, Miss Shayla. That's how long we've been going.
No, I remember your name.
Hey, let's go, y'all.
All right, crab reef.
Let's go, crab reef. Last one. Just hold that crab. If you can't do it, just hold it. If you need a modification, just hold that crab. 5. Last 40. Come on, y'all. 3, 2. Remember, don't leave. We got a positive message afterwards, okay? 3, 2, and go.
Squeeze.
Oh, yeah!
Woo, I'm so happy we're done.
Hey, good job, y'all.
Good job, guys.
We're proud of y'all. Good job. Don't leave. Get some water. Don't leave.
Woo. Oh.
Good job, y'all. All right, y'all, real quick. Michael said his phone died. Good job.
That's what he said.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, man.
Good job, y'all.
Hey, good job, Amelia and Bree. Way to work on your first workout. Good job.
Hey, good job, good job, good job, good job. Hey, listen, real quick. First and foremost, that was tough. Give it up for yourselves. Give it up for yourself. Give it up for yourself. Give it up for yourself. I told y'all, animal movements. It's always slept on. In the fitness world, I know we do a lot of it because we like it in our program, but it's slept on a lot. But getting on all fours and moving around on all fours, it's a full body exercise, all right? So that makes you appreciate animals even more, all right? But today's message, y'all. First of all, give it up for Coach. Today's message, y'all. It's a lot of stuff going on. It's a lot of this news. It's a lot of that news. It's a lot of opinions. You get on social media, everybody saying, oh, this is going on. This is going on. That's going on. The great Malcolm X said, the great late Malcolm X, great late Malcolm X said, don't let the eye fool the mind. Okay, I'll say it again. Do not let the eye fool the mind. Control what you can control. Okay, be cautious, take precautions, protect you and your family, stay safe, but don't let the eye fool the mind. All right. Good job tonight. Good job tonight. Good job tonight. Good job, y'all. We want to see y'all with that challenge too. A lot of y'all ain't checked in. Some people checked in yesterday. One person checked in today. But we want to see those 100 squats a day. And if you got us on Instagram, tag us. If you need to text us or you need our information to text us because you don't have social media, let us know. But like Crystal say, the winner at the end of April is going to receive that $50 gift card, okay? And I don't know about y'all, but I need $50 at this point in time, all right?
And listen, give it up for the kiddos too, doing homework at home.
Yes.
Getting that done.
Yes.
Staying smart.
Yes, good job, y'all. Good job to the parents. Good job to the parents. Good job to the parents. And kudos to y'all still working, leaving your house every day and putting yourself in harm's way and working and making that money to provide. Kudos to y'all too, y'all. Good job, good job, good job. We love y'all.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, we do love you guys. But one more thing for the challenge. You do have to come to class at least 2 times a week.
Yes.
To be able to be part of the challenge.
Yes.
And you got 6 days to choose from.
Yeah.
So let's just get it. Okay?
And we'll update y'all in the group chat too, because I don't think we said that today, but you got to come to class at least twice, all right, to be qualified, all right? Good job. If something happens, just let us know and communicate, because emergencies and life happens, but we want y'all to come to class at least twice. You got 6 days to choose from, but good job tonight. Good job tonight. We love y'all. Good job. Good job. Good job.
How y'all
Good job.
feel?